Good morning everyone. Welcome once again. Now in this video we are going to learn about the adaptations for protection. Protection would be for the animals from the other animals, those who eat them. Okay. So animals are always in constant danger from some other animals which may harm them, kill them, okay, and eat them. So in order to protect themselves, they need to have some adaptations in their body so that they can defend themselves, they can protect themselves, they can fight against those animals. So herein we are going to learn about those adaptations which are there for the protection of the animals. Now, as you know, rabbits, deers, fish and mice, these are very small and very you can say very weak animals, okay, as in terms of strength they are very weak, and so to protect themselves they have the ability, or they have made the adaptations to move very fast. Okay, these animals are able to move very fast so that they can run away from their enemies यानी दुश्मन. So दुश्मनों से पीछा छुड़ाने के लिए, to run away from those enemies, these animals are very quick in movement. They can run, swim very fast and get away from those dangerous animals. So this is one type of adaptation for animals like rabbit, deer, fish and mice, which are very small and not very strong. Okay. The next is the thick skin of the elephants and the hippopotamuses help in protecting them from the hot climate. Now animals like the elephant and rhinoceros, the hippopotamus also, they are very what you can say strong, so they can easily defend themselves. But from the heat, the hot climate that they are living in, so for protection from those natural climatic conditions, they are having a very thick skin, and because of this thick skin they can protect themselves from the natural climatic conditions in which they are normally living. Okay, so in this way the animal skin is protecting them from the hot climate. So the animals who are strong enough to defend themselves from other animals are having the danger of loss of too much water from the hot climate, and so to protect them from the hot climate they are having a thick skin. Now insects like cockroach, they are very you can say delicate, they are not strong. So these animals like the insects like the cockroaches, they have a very tough body covering, a very hard body covering for protection, which is called as chitin. Okay, with a substance called as chitin, their body is made up of a substance called as chitin, which makes their body a very hard body. Okay, so their outer body is very tough, and so they cannot be easily killed. Okay, so insects like cockroach who are not very strong, not very big, so to protect themselves they are having a strong body outer covering which is meant for their protection. Then the hard shell of the crabs and turtles, they protect the soft bodies. You must have seen the crabs, the tortoises, the turtles, they have a very hard shell on them, है ना. उनके ऊपर एक बहुत ही strong shell होता है, कवच होता है. This is meant for their soft bodies inside. अंदर जो soft body है, and also you must have seen they are very slow. The turtle and the tortoises, they are very slow also, so they can easily be eaten up by the other animals. So for protection they are having a very hard shell, and other animals cannot easily eat them. Okay. Then the sharp spines of the porcupines protect them from their enemies. The sharp spines that you see here in the picture, it is having very sharp spines. Spine meaning kaate. Okay. So what these spines do, they will be very problematic for the other animal. है ना? When a other animal tries to catch it, they will be poked by these spines, these thorns, and no other animal will be able to catch or touch the porcupine. So in this way, the porcupine is having a protective body covering in the form of spines. Spine मतलब कांटे, है ना? उनके बॉडी पे बहुत सारे कांटे हैं जो ये फैला देते हैं. Whenever they are in danger, they will spread these spines, and because of it, no other animal will try to touch it. Okay. So in this way, this porcupine will protect itself. Next, these what you can say, the adaptations. These are all meant for the protection, and so these are known as the adaptations for protection. Okay. So for each and every fact or each and every aspect of the animal requires adaptation. So in this way, for protecting themselves, these animals are showing the different types of adaptations here. Now you must have seen a chameleon. A chameleon is a lizard kind of a thing. This is a chameleon here. So it is a lizard type of a animal which lives on the trees. Now it has the ability to change its color. So in whatever background it is there, on whatever thing it is sitting on, it will immediately take up that color, and it will be very hard to decide or to see them. Okay, where they are. You cannot just see them with your eyes because they are very well matching to their surrounding. So this ability of mixing with the surrounding is known as camouflage. Okay. So the characteristics are the qualities, है ना, खूबियाँ, the qualities of animals, that is the color and the shape, that help them to mix or merge with the surrounding is called as camouflage. यानी अपनी surrounding के जैसा ही हो जाना ताकि कोई आपको देख ना सके. This quality of animals is known as camouflage. Most animals escape from their enemies, or they even use it to catch their prey. Okay. So not only it will help for protecting themselves, but some animals use this quality to attack other animals. Okay. So this camouflaging technique is very well developed in the chameleon, which can take up different colors. It can adjust to any surrounding in which it is there. Okay. So this chameleon is very beautifully showing this quality of camouflaging. Now most animals escape from their enemies or even catch their prey by camouflaging themselves. So as I told you, not only for protecting, but also they use this technique for catching the prey. Prey यानी शिकार. शिकार पकड़ने के लिए भी this technique is very useful. Okay. So the polar bears, they are having white fur, and so they can blend in very well with the snow, and this helps them to hide in the snow. So the other animals, see, the polar bears is a huge animal, but the small babies, they are in need of protection. So this polar bear is having white fur and it lives in snow. So it is very hard sometimes for other animals to see those animals in the background, in the environment, in the surrounding. They are very, very hard to see there. Okay, so in this way they can protect themselves from other animals who are trying to catch them. Also, the animals don't see colors like us. Okay, they are not able to see all the colors as we human beings do. So their colors, they cannot see